Tron Lightcycle Run is a thrilling, high-speed roller coaster type ride in the dark. Users be warned, the Lightcycle Run makes sharp turns with sudden drops and stops. For your safety, remain seated on your light cycle at all times. Keep restraints securely fastened. Supervise young Team Blue users at all times.
Welcome to users. Please proceed all the way into the digitizer, filling all available space and making room for all the users behind you. Thank you.
Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Team Blue, welcome to the grid. Tron Lightcycle Run is a thrilling, high-speed roller coaster type ride in the dark, making sharp turns with sudden drops and stops. For your safety, remain seated on your light cycle at all times. The competition begins when Team Blue launches across the upload conduit and onto the grid. Your opponents will meet you there. To win, every member of Team Blue must pass through 8 energy gates before their opponents. Stick together. It's your only hope for victory. In the light cycle run, there are winners, and there are losers. Who are you? Team Blue Lightcycle Run upload sequence. Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward. Congratulations, users. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
That's so worth it.
Watch your step as you dismount and exit. Be sure to collect your belongings.